I love this dessert because it's so simple and honestly, it just screams summertime. We're gonna make some burgers on the barbecue and they're gonna be delicious. I don't care if you're at the cottage, at home, or out at a restaurant, that dish is going to make you smile. That smell is so, so good. And look at that, that's full of texture, full of wow factor, full of body, and full of flavor. That's gonna be so good on the dock with a couple of beers. All right, barbecue pizza, the game changer. Look out. Cheers to you, island. Mystical, inviting, full of wonderment and joy. It's glorious.